What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SS Marco, back at it again with a video for y'all, man. Today we are in the 2015 Camaro SS, and today we're gonna be installing these old rims I had on my car, wheels I had on my car. Right now I'm taking it to my buddy at the dealership. He's gonna hook me up and put them on for me and stuff. So right now I got the wheels that came with the car, and I'm gonna take these off and just swap them out. And so I won't be there to show y'all the process, but I'll show y'all the before and after. And let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. So without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Anyways, guys, the car is done. I'm trying to merge over right now. I'm in the middle of the lane, the middle of the road. But yeah, he's done with the car. Ooh, I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I think he, oh gosh, she about to get killed. Lord have mercy, she out here tripping. Anyways, we're on the way to the dealership. I'm about to go pick up my car with the new wheel setup on there. Oh, I gotta get over. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what the wheels look. Anyways, guys, got a couple things done. I got the wheels put on today, so I don't know if you guys can see it. I got a couple things done to the car. I got the hood wrap 2 days ago. I'm waiting to get my windows tinted and stuff. But I got the roof wrapped. I got the trunk wrapped. I gotta do the spoiler next. But yeah, man, this is what it looked like so far. I gotta get an alignment. Everything looks good, man. But yeah, make sure you guys like the video and the build. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. It's been your boy SS Marco. Peace.